everyone, welcome back to me and Charlie's YouTube channel. Today I will be playing Is It a Squishy or Slime game. So let's get on to it. Make sure to play along at home as well. Oh my god. Fine, go away, fine. No one wants to answer you right now. That looks really pretty. I want slime like that. I just want slime. Any slime I like, except for jelly slime. I don't like that. I mean, water slime. There's still water in it. Doesn't like, you can't stretch it or anything. Let's get started. Is it a squishy or a slime? That's a squishy. It can't be that, like, shiny. If it's a slime, you probably would put it on something fluffy. That's a squishy. You can see the outlines, yeah. That is a slime. Yes. Doesn't really look like a slime. That's a squishy. Yes! I was like, I was a bit confused about that one, but then I realized. That's a slime. That looks super cool. Why? It's supposed to be ASMR. Why is she? That's a slime. Yay! That's a squishy. It's really cute though. That's huge. That's slime, squish slime. Wait, I don't know if I got that. I said slime first. It's a slime, that's a slime. That's a squishy. Oh my god, this goes for ages. That's a food. No, that's a slime. That's a food. That looked like a food. Wait, if I go back, you will see how good that looks. Look at how realistic that looks. If someone gave that to me, I would eat it. I wouldn't even realize it was slime. I would just put it straight in my mouth, and then I'd realize, oh wait, it's not Oreo. That's a slime. That is weird. That's really weird. Wait, she's taking it off other people? Look, there's different things. Different names, I think. I don't know. That's a squish. Duh. Oh my god, Vincent, can you just turn that down, please? That's a squishy. That's really loud, Vincent. You're not deaf, Vincent. That's a squishy. Why is she crying? Do you see that emoji? That's a slime. That doesn't look like it. That looks like clay. I feel like that's clay. That's definitely not slime. That is on the top, but that looks like clay. Unless it's butter slime, like really buttery slime. That's slime, for sure. That's a slime. That's not a squishy. That's a squishy. That's too shiny to be a slime. That is definitely a squishy. That is massive. I want it. Is that a tattoo on my chest? See that? There's a little star. I wasn't counting. No. Oh. Okay, bye guys.